Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Genmo AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at genmo.ai and we're all logged in. Up at the top left hand corner you'll find your account icon. If you click on that, then here you'll either see upgrade plan, which you can select that, but we're going to look here where it says manage subscription. And by clicking that, that's going to bring us to the billing page. Right now, we are on the free plan, and you can see here it says current plan and it's grayed out. And then you have the additional options to subscribe. What you're going to find is that if you select either of these options, then that is going to say current plan, and then it will be grayed out to indicate that you cannot do anything with that. But that is where your free tier is going to light up again, and you can select that and go back to the free tier and you will have canceled your subscription. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.